In this video, I will share with you how you can make money from a website, earn more than 10,000 naira in Nigeria currency and USD, US dollar. All you have to do is to make money on social media posts online for free. Stay glued to the end of this video as I will show you all the step by step on how to set up your account and start to make money on this website every single day and send it to your bank account. Go to the description of this video and click on the first link to this website and complete your registration. Input your name, your email, password and click on register. Then log in and start to make yourself money performing simple tasks just by engaging on social media platform post, like post and make yourself more than 500 naira in a single minute depending on the task in which you perform. All you have to do is just to engage on tasks on this social media platform and earn yourself every single minute just by liking social media posts on Freebyz websites. See on my screen, I've earned myself some amount on this platform, and what I do is just to complete some simple tasks just like Facebook engagement where I earn 45 naira. Visit a website, you earn yourself 20 naira. Visit to sign up, 25 naira. Share a post on Facebook, and earn yourself USDT. Join WhatsApp community, 15 naira. Pay registration for new user, you earn yourself 5,000 naira and also 100 naira on this platform. These tasks go on and on, just like share, like and comment, you earn 20 naira. WhatsApp TV job, 50 naira. Facebook follow, 10 naira. Telegram channel job, 25 naira. Website visit and sign up, 20 naira, and this go on and on. And on this website there are jobs every day, every single day new job is being uploaded. This is another one. Download an app and register, you earn yourself 125 naira. And please help my channel to grow by subscribing and liking this video. If you like this kind of content, then turn on the notification bell as YouTube will notify you whenever I produce amazing content just like this. Thank you. So to complete this task, all you have to do is to verify your account, and what you need in verification of your account is just to pay 1,050 naira. This is like an admin charges that they will use to maintain this website that is earning you a lot of money, and this payment is one-time payment fee, and you enjoy making money on this platform for life. The fee is so small that you can make on this platform a mind-blowing money every single day. You can make more than 30k in a week from this website, as there are a lot of tasks to earn money from every single day on this platform. Go over to verify and start to make money for yourself. All you have to do is to come and click on here to verify your account, and your account will be verified. To complete a task, click on any task you wish to engage on. As you can see, join WhatsApp community and earn 15 naira. Scroll down and see the instruction of what you are expected to do. Mostly what you have to do is to click on the link, perform the task and send a proof, a screenshot. Another one is Facebook engagement for 45 naira. Scroll down, see the link. The instruction is like, comment and share. Please ensure you share, and you come to the bottom to come and submit your proof. The proof is for you to click and type maybe done or anything you want to type and submit a proof by screenshotting and uploading your proof and click on submit, and that's all. All you have to do is to wait for approval and you have your balance on your dashboard. Great thing about this platform is that they upload new tags every single day, giving you the opportunity to make money every single day. If you are having all these social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Telegram, and even WhatsApp and the likes, then without any stress, you can turn those apps to money making machine and make money online for liking social media posts. This is a trusted website with a lot of upload jobs every single day. Another way to make money is to refer a friend and get 500 naira per. Take for instance, if you refer 2 friends, you are getting yourself 1000 naira. If you refer 20 friends, you are earning 10,000 naira for free from this website, Freebyz. Once they register and verify the account, you are going to get 500 naira instantly. To refer a friend, you copy your referral link and share to them. As they refer, you earn money. Once they verify their account. To make withdrawal on this app, click on the menu and tap on Wallet and click on Withdrawal. You type your withdrawal amount and click on Select option on how you wish to withdraw. There are 2 options. You can withdraw locally or withdraw to your PayPal wallet, and you receive your money into your bank account within 48 hours of your. I hope you can start and make money with your WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Telegram, and Twitter. Meanwhile, you don't need to worry about data. See my video on how to get unlimited data to complete the task. The link will pop up for you above. If you enjoyed this video, before you go, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.